Hello everyone, this video introduces the Polygon to Line function in the Vector Conversion tool. This function creates an element class that contains lines generated by converting a face boundary to a line, or splitting a line, a face, or splitting two elements at the intersection of the two elements. To use this function, navigate to the toolbox under Data Management, and find the Polygon to Line tool. Double-click to open the function window. The input features should be polygon features. If you check the Identify and Store Polygon Neighboring Information checkbox, the software will analyze the neighboring relationships of the polygons and store this information in the attribute table of the output features. For detailed explanations of polygon neighboring relationships, please refer to the user manual. If you do not check the box, the software will ignore the polygon neighboring relationships. Each polygon boundary will be converted into a line feature, and the original polygon feature ID will be stored in the output. The output feature class is used to store the output line features. The Add Result to Project option is only effective when the output feature class result is output to the GPKG database where the project is located. When checked, it will automatically build a layer for the result data and add it to the project. After completing the settings, click OK to proceed. The conversion from polygons to lines will be successful, and the polygon neighboring relationship information will be stored in the attribute table of the output features. Use the pick function to check the geometry type, and you will see that it has changed from polygons to lines. That's all for the introduction to the Polygon to Line function. Thank you for watching.